I was in the electrician field. So when I first got in the program, I wasn't too motivated when I got into it, but under certain circumstances, I got more motivated to do it. David kind of helped me to get like my foot in the door, and it's been uphill since. Just don't rush into it. Take your time. If this isn't something that you really want to do, then you gotta consult with family or you got great people here, so they can help you out with that too. But if you are in the program and you really want to be motivated in the program, you got great people to help you out. So it's a great program. That's all I gotta really say. Simulations definitely helped. It felt like I was actually there doing it. All I gotta say is don't rush through it, because when you rush through it, you got the challenges and you got to do the assessment. And when I first got into the program, I didn't really understand the electrician field, or I got into HVAC first, but that kind of made me less motivated, because it was so many terms, so much vocabulary you gotta understand. But the hands-on kind of really took away from the vocabulary, and kind of I started focusing on what each thing actually was, So hands-on was definitely 100% better than doing all.